Once we recognize transactions in our bank section, under transactions, we go ahead into accounting section and reconcile our bank to QuickBooks. The following section is from the bank statement, so we need to add our bank statement balance as of 28th of February, for example, would be our ending date to reconcile. And then we start reconciling. Under the reconciliation screen, you have a few options. First of all, you can edit info. So if you entered the ending balance incorrectly, you can always add it here. If you cannot finish the reconciliation process right now, you can always save it for later. Finish now with the small differences if they are, and close without saving will not save the reconciliation. I always try to start with the clean slate, so I will select all and then deselect all. So that helps me to clear all the items that were picked up, and now I can simply go ahead and, by looking at my statement, tick off those items that I can see on my bank statement. So I can see PayPal and UK, and I can also see 102 received, 94 paid, Xero subscription and post. So those items I just picked up, so those two. And 524, so we only have 550 difference, and our reconciliation is now complete. As you can see, there's one item left, which is our receipt for carries, and we need to investigate why this hasn't gone through our bank. If that was paid by different means, perhaps cash. In this case, we need to make sure we reimburse whoever paid for this business expense, either with expense section, new and expense, or we add it to the payroll as additional payment, or we also can see if it's been paid by credit card, for example. So those items need to be investigated, despite the fact that our difference is 0. So now we can finish reconciliation and the account is reconciled. If you have more than one bank account, you need to select another bank account, for example savings, and also reconcile it to the bank statement every month. The VAT reports or reports in general are not going to be relevant and accurate without performance of bank reconciliation. And as you just saw, that some transaction may need a further investigation.